Are you uploading videos on YouTube but not getting the views or subscribers you expected? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can grow your YouTube channel fast with help from an expert who will personally review your content and help you gain real subscribers, not bots. Hey everyone, I am Halal, and in this video I share tips, tools and services that help you grow your online business and YouTube channel. If you want to grow faster, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's be honest, growing your YouTube channel isn't easy. You can post great videos, but if your titles, thumbnails or tags aren't right, your content won't reach the right audience. That's why creating a professional YouTube channel review can make a huge difference. So I found this amazing expert where an expert will review your entire YouTube channel and show you exactly what you improve. A full review your videos, thumbnails and titles, tips and optimize to your channel for better reach, feedback to improve content quality, engagement, real strategy to gain more real subscriber. Whether you are beginner or already uploading regularly, this service help you understand how to make your videos perform better. So I'll share, this is a Fiverr gig. This is a seller, his name is Christian. He will review your YouTube content and gain real subscribers. He is a very professional and he's a top rated freelancer on Fiverr. So he have 330 reviews. He already completed 330 orders, and 5-star review he have 330 reviews. So he is a very professional. His basic price, he will first 30-minute Zoom call for 120 for new channel. Only his basic price 120 real, and a standard price he 1 hours Zoom review question and answer he for you. He do for you 150, and premium package 90 minutes and fast track monetization for senior channel owners, proven SEO strategy, actionable steps to unlock YouTube partner program, chain day delivery, unlimited revision. He will do here $200. So he is a very professional. He have so many portfolio on his portfolio page. He have already so many portfolio on here. He is a very professional. He have so many reviews, 5-star review, 328 reviews in 5-star. So he is a very professional. You have to you should grow in your YouTube channel. You can contact with him. He is a very professional and expert. I hope he will help you for growing your YouTube channel. So don't be hesitate. If you want to grow your YouTube channel and so much time you have to write audience for growing your YouTube channel, so he is help you. He is a very professional. I see that he have 330 review. He is a top rated freelancer and Fiverr chose. So very professional. So you want to grow your YouTube channel and fast and get real organic subscriber? Don't wait. Click the link below. I will add his link on my description. So I hope you will get the right person for growing your YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I will add this link on my description below. You can take this service for your channel growing. I hope is the best for you. Thank you so much.